Hello everybody! So this is part of your distance learning extra help. So I know that in class we've been working on the distributive property, combining like terms, and distributive property and combining like terms. I know that if you have math second block, you already turned this in. So this is more for the students who have math fourth block. So here I am in my house. I'm going to show you guys how to do this, but since I am in my house, I'm going to go ahead and show you my darling little girls.
Hi!
And then I know that I talk about my dogs all the time, so I'm going to let you guys see them and talk to them. Well, not talk to them, but see them. So this is River, and this is Kaiser. My golden retriever is Kaiser, and this is my standard poodle River.
Hi guys, again.
Okay, so now that you met my gang here, let's get started on the work. Okay, I'm just trying to adjust this. Okay. So first off, we're working with distributive property. Now we've talked a lot about this in class, so you guys should have an idea of how to do this. So I'm gonna go ahead and set up an example problem for you guys, just in case you're having trouble remembering how to do this. So let's say 5 parentheses 2x
Hi.
plus 3. Okay. So you should have a problem that looks similar to this. Of course, not exactly these numbers, but it could have exactly the same format. Maybe you change the numbers a little bit, or you change the variable. It's up to you. So then the important thing about distributive property are okay, you guys know this, right? Yeah. The arrows. And the arrows mean what, guys? Multiplication. Yes. So now it should look a little bit like this. So the next thing is multiplying. So as we have here, it's 5 times 2. 5 times 2 is 10. And then we bring down the x, our variable. Then our sign doesn't change in this case because this is positive and this is positive for the next one. So then we have 5 times 3. What is 5 times 3, guys? Yep, you guys are right. 15. And really, that's all you do. So that is what it would look like for distributive property. Now in this box, if you guys remember, you have to do the definition. So I'm just gonna put that right there so you guys remember that you're doing the definition on your own. You just have to go into the internet and look up the definition of distributive property and it should pop right up. You shouldn't have any trouble with that at all. Now the next one would be combining like terms. For combining like terms, I would suggest doing 3 sections like I'm about to show you, but you could do 2 if you do like 2x plus 3x, but I would do 3. So we're gonna have 3x plus 5 minus 6x. Okay, so we have 3x plus 5 minus 6x. So if you're hearing noises in the background, those are my dogs playing. Sorry. So I'm gonna go ahead and box my terms that are the same. So here we have 3x and then we have negative 6x. So we need, let me get the marker, to combine those together. So 3x minus 6x Now we need to take the sign of the bigger number. In this case, the bigger number is 6. So we know that our answer is going to be negative. So we have negative, and 3 minus 6 is 3. So we have negative 3x, and then plus 5. Okay? And that's it. Now in the bottom, we're going to go ahead and again do the definition. Okay? Now for the last one, it's a little bit more complicated, and it's the one that people tend to have a little bit more problems with. But you guys got this. I'm going to show you an example and you're going to be fine. You're going to ace this. So we're going to have 2x times 7 plus 3x plus 5. So your problem is gonna look like that. My daughter just gave me a kiss. So we have 6x parentheses 7 plus 3x plus 5. So the first part of this is that we're going to be doing our distributive property. And once again, guys, distributive property means that we're going to be drawing, yes, arrows. Arrows, and the arrows mean, yes, multiplication. You're right. Okay. 2x times 7 would be 14x. Okay. And then, see right there, 14x. Then 2x times 3x would be, oh, actually, you know what, guys? Let's take off that x right there. I don't want it there. Okay. So 2x times 3 would be plus 6x, like that. And then we're just gonna drop down our plus 5. Now what makes this distributive property and combining like terms is the fact that after we distributed, we still have to combine some like terms. So I'm gonna go ahead and box. It's gonna look like Christmas. Our red and green here. So we have 14x plus 6x. So that would be,
Yeah. That would be
20x plus 5.
20x.
Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and put down here definition. Okay, so you guys remember that you guys need to define the words. Now, if you have any questions after this video, go ahead, message me. You guys have my email, or you could also message me on Google Classroom. I have the live streaming open. Yeah, that's it for right now. I'm going to be posting more videos. Don't worry, guys. I got you. Okay. So Jasmine wants to say bye.
Bye, everybody.
And then say bye to our little munchkins over here. Munchkin 1, which is River, and Munchkin 2, which is Kaiser.
Which he yells, Kaiser yells me.